हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। आई होप आप सब अच्छे होंगे, खुश होंगे और अपनी जर्नी एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। सो इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सी अबाउट प्रोजेक्ट्स इन Accenture. We'll see a complete roadmap from getting onboarded to Accenture to getting on board into a project. So we'll see each and everything. This is one of the most requested video, I tell you. Um, we'll try to cover all your things, all the things related to project in this video. So it may be video थोड़ी lengthy हो जाए, but we'll divide this video into a part. So if you want some specific question, you can directly jump onto the video. Also, it doesn't matter that you are you are whether onboarded or you are on the process of onboarding to Accenture, or you have just written the assessments in Accenture. This video is equally important for everyone because once you onboarded to the company, the important thing that is that to onboard in a good project. Good project means, what is good project? We'll discuss that also in this video. So without wasting time, let's begin with the video. Yeah. So this is the very first time I'm using a pan tab. So it might be the video looks not that good, but you need to bear with me for some time till the time I learn how to use it. So without wasting time, let's move to our video. So this, if you can see this, this is what all the topics, this all things we are going to discuss in this whole video, right? So if we go, this is what you get in this video. So yeah, don't go on my writings, please ignore it. So this is what we are, this all things, this is what we are going to see in this video. We are going to check, or we are going to see more things rather than this, but these are the majority of the part in the video. Like, see, this is what the majority part covered, right? So we are going to see the complete process of onboarding into a project. We are going to see the roles we get into in the project, being ASC and AASC, right? we are we going to see how to choose a project for us, what is a perfect project, right? We are going to discuss on this. We'll get on, like, if I don't get into a project, what is B, like what is going to be a part. So if I'm not able to get into a project, what will happen? Is it okay or is it not okay? Is it common or is it not common? We are going to see this. On what basis we get into a project, matlab, how we get into a project, what is the criteria, what on what basis we get into a project. We'll go with this question also. We'll discuss what is a hybrid mode, and how to get a project which is work from home. We will be discussing what stream or which stream is good for the project. And at last, we will be discussing some of the questions which you have asked, some of the queries of yours which are related to project. We will be seeing those queries and we will be discussing those questions or queries in this video. So let's move to our very first question, which is on what basis we get into the project. मतलब मतलब on what basis we get the project. What is the criteria to get into a project? So see, the very important thing is our skills. So we have a portfolio where our skills are there in Accenture. So according to our those skills, we get into a project. Okay, so we basically have two types of skill, which is primary skill and secondary skill. So we get into a project from primary skill. Okay, so this primary skill can be only one. Okay, and this secondary skill can be numerous. Like, it can be any number. It can be 10, 13, 20. It can be any number. But this primary skill is one, and the skill which we get as a primary skill will get us into a project. Now, when we see that primary skill is that important, now let's discuss ki why, how we get this primary skill. What make us get this primary skill? So, let me take you to the most important part. We all are aware about primers, right? So once you onboard into a company, you need to give primers. After primers, we used to give TechGenics. Okay, so for this TechGenics, a stream has been assigned for us, right? A stream has been assigned for us. So we give those assessments of primers and TechGenics in that stream, right? So for TechGenics, a stream has been assigned for us, and we usually give that assessments in that stream, है ना? So that stream which we give assessments for TechGenics, on which we give assessments for TechGenics, that stream is basically the primary skill. So basically, if we take an example, and on this primary skill only we get into a project. So if we take a simple example, suppose after completing primers, you get into TechGenics and you get a skill called XYZ. ठीक है? Then what? This is your stream. Okay, this XYZ is what is your stream. So you get a stream called XYZ. Now what will be your primary skill? Your primary skill will be XYZ only. And the projects call which you will be getting after completing your TechGenics or between your TechGenics, all those calls must be of XYZ stream only. So suppose let's take an example that you got cloud as your stream, right? You get cloud technology as your stream. So your primary skill will be cloud only. Okay, and you will be getting all the projects related to clouds. Okay, fine. So is our so what we say what so the question now is only primary skill or TechGenics skill is necessary to get into a project? So no. So we have basically two most important things to get into this, to answer this question. So we have two most important things. So the first things we have already discussed, that is primary skill. ठीक है. The second one is the location. Is your location. So in which location you are, what is your base location will be the reason of your projects. Okay, I hope you are able to understand what I'm telling you. So on what basis we get into a project? So there are two things we can say. The first thing is our primary skill, and the second thing we have discussed is our location. So upon for these two locations only we get into a project. According to these two locations we get into a project. Okay, so let's discuss now second thing. So now let's discuss our second thing, which is now let's discuss what is a complete process of onboarding into a project. So we already know that we have for TechGenics, let's again come to TechGenics. For TechGenics, we have two types of assessments. Assessments which last for 2 months, or an assessment which lasts for 6 months. ठीक है. For 2 months, once training will be completed, जब इनकी जो ट्रेनिंग हो जाएगी ये पूरी complete, then only they'll get into a project. okay, they'll start getting project calls, I would say, कि after completed their trainings, they will get the projects call. For this 6 months resources, after completing 1 month in training, they will start getting their project call. Okay, so once for 2 months, once they complete their trainings, they will start getting their project calls. For 6 months, once they completed 1 month, ठीक है, 1 month in their trainings, they get their project calls. ठीक है. Now, what is the onboarding process? So basically, once you get, for a fresher, I would say, ठीक है, this process you get it right. So for a fresher, if I say, after you after you completed these criterias, 2 months for 2 months training or 1 month training, um, after you complete this criteria, for fresher I'm saying, you will be getting 4 to 5 calls. You will be getting 4 to 5 projects call in a day, in a single day, I'm telling you. In a single day, you will be getting 4 to 5 calls. Okay. So what are they going to do is, they'll ask certain questions to you in a project call, and you need to answer those questions. Okay. So what are they going to, they'll going to answer question you certain questions, and then you need to answer those questions. Okay, so this is basically the onboarding process. So onboarding process is key, after completing your this criteria, you will start getting some calls for project. For a fresher, I know we get 4 to 5 calls in a day. After completing after completing your trainings, right, and not getting a project. So so let's take an example as, you have completed your training, and now you are you you didn't get into a project, you won't have any project, so you don't have any project. So at this time, they consider you as on bench. So I would say कि being on bench for long time is not good. So they'll consider you as on bench. So try to get into a project as soon as possible. Okay. So if we go for the, I hope you have been clear with this complete process of onboarding into a project. For that, we have 2 months and 6 month training resources. For 6 month training resources, we have, if the training completed, they started getting calls. If for 6 months, after 1 month of training, they started getting calls. For a freshers, it gets 4 to 5 calls in one day. Once you completed your this trainings, this criteria, and not getting any project, this means you are on bench. Fine. Now they will be asking all your questions which is related to your, now what questions they ask in this call. So they ask all the questions which is related to your primary skill. So basically your TechGenics questions. Okay. So whatever you learned in your TechGenics, that only thing will be question, or that only things will be question to you in this call, in this interview call. Okay. Now we'll take to the different question. Now let's take the different question. Now they are asking what is the role we get into a project. So we have two roles. So basically we have two roles for ASE and ASEs, which is support and one is support and one is developer. So we have two roles, which is support and developer for ASEs and AASEs. So if you are a ASE, let's consider a case of ASE. So if you are a ASE, there is a high chance, I'm telling you, there is a high chance high chance is there to get you into a support project. It might be some exceptional cases are there who get developer role. Okay, they used to say ki yeah, it's a developer role or something like that, but in the end you come across that it's a support role only. So, and for those who are ASEs, they might get a developer role, and this is also based on their knowledge. Okay, so based on their knowledge they will get a developer role. So we have two roles, which is support and developer. So for ASE there is a high chance of getting into a support role, and for ASE there is a high they get a developer role, but on the basis of knowledge. If you have if you are lacking with the knowledge, there is a high chance of you being an AASE gets a support role if your knowledge is not that good. Okay, so we'll go with the next question. How to choose a perfect project for us? Okay, so there is no such perfect projects like. Okay, now let's see how we can choose every project is good. See, okay, whatever technology we have, every technology have good projects. ठीक है, every technology have good project. Now that project is good for you, that has to be chosen by you yourself. So how to choose that? We can choose that by checking some of the important things. Suppose while while going with the interviews for this project calls, the interviewer will tell you about all the requirements he want for the project. ठीक है, all the requirements he want for this project, and if that project requirement meets your requirement, that project is perfect for you. Suppose कि in one project they said that this role is support role. Okay, and you know that you are very good in technology, and you have a very high command on this technology, and you are good to go with this developer role, then you can say no, you can reject this project. This project is not perfect for you. You can surely reject by saying that I am not interested in support role. I need to work for the developer role. Is there any opportunity for that? If they have, they'll give it to you. If not, you can go for the next project. Okay, so I heard that we have 5 to 6 chances for saying no, and that after 5 to 6, if we reject 5 to 6 projects because of certain reasons, then for the sixth or seventh project they will onboard you their self. Like they will not ask you ki whether you want to come or not. They just onboard you. So this is also there. Okay. So but we can say no if we are confident that we are going to if we have a good knowledge on this skill, and we are good for developer role only, then surely we can reject this project. Okay. Secondly, suppose they ask you for the location change. Okay, so they ask you for the location change. Suppose you are from XYZ location, and you have your hometown there, and you are not ready to location change, relocation. You are not ready to relocate, then you can say no. Okay, suppose if you are already got into a project and only some criteria is left, like official mail is left, then also you can say, okay, I have already got into a project and now I am not supposed to give any such interviews any further. So these can be a reason to reject your uh, to reject your project. So these all things can find you your perfect project. Like no project is perfect. You only have to make your project perfect, right? So if your project requirements meets your requirements, then that project is the good one. Then that project is the then only your project is the perfect project. I hope I'm not getting you bored. I hope you are not getting bored with this. Now let's see the another thing. Now what it it is if okay. What if I don't get into a project? So I have seen many of you saying I have already been in Accenture for this 4 months, 2 months, 6 months, and I'm not able to get into a project. Is there any issue? Is any problem or such like this? So I would like to say that see, after getting let's take my example firstly, we'll discuss that later. So if see I got my trainings for 6 months, okay, in 1 month of my trainings for TechGenix I'm saying, okay, so in 1 month of my training I get into a project. Within that month only I get into a project with मतलब yeah, ठीक है. And now this project one, ठीक है, अभी now I have released from this project. On the date I released this project, they actually have a, they actually have a whole complete list of the resources which are on bench, and there is a complete team for the people who are on bench. The team's requirement or the team's duty is to get those bench people into a project. ठीक है. So, see, I would say कि no companies want their employees to sit idle and earn. So I would say कि company will provide you the chances. Company will provide you the opportunities. Not only one single opportunity, they will provide you many opportunities to get into a project. It might be because you are not getting this project might be of the following reasons. First, lack of your knowledge. ठीक है. So you need to work on it. If you are not getting a project because of the lack of the knowledge, you need to work on it. You have no other substitute for this. ठीक है. It may be because you want a different role, and because you are in different, they are providing you a different role. It might be you want a different role and these projects gives you a different role, so you are saying no. It might be the project's requirement is not uh, equals to your requirements, they are not equal to your requirement, then also you are rejecting. So basically you are rejecting the projects. It might be anything, but the main thing is because of these reasons you are being on bench for so long. ठीक है. And being on bench for so long, as I've said earlier also, this is not a good thing. Try to get into a project soon. I'm not saying कि get into any project or get into the first project you get. The first project, get into a first project call. Hannah, I'm not saying this to you, but I want you to at least not take so much of time. Not be on bench for so long. It will of course affect your performance and all. It is all, this all is reported. This all is reported. So this will surely it won't be like they will throw you out from the company or like that, but it will surely report your performance. So try not to be on bench for so long. You can take your time. check the project's requirement, check your knowledge, check the roles, everything. Check, get into a good project, but not take, don't take so much of time that you are being on bench for 6 or 7 or 8 long months. No, this is really not good. Okay, so I hope this is not getting bored. If it is, you can come back and see this videos. Okay, but you need to complete this video. Okay, so you have to complete these videos before, without fail. So now let's check. Now let's see what is hybrid mode. So see, if you are a new fresher, if you are very fresher like me, I'm saying very fresher or new fresher because um, I am that one. I am that person who don't know a single word from corporate, right? So a hybrid mode is for, if you are like me, then this is for you. Okay. So hybrid mode is where uh, we need to work for certain days from office and certain days from home. So it is like we have 5 days in a week. ठीक है, 5 days in per week. So we are working two from work from office and बाकी के 3 we are working from home. So this is what hybrid mode is. Okay, so it is easy, but being as a, I have seen this question, what is hybrid mode, so I just thought to mention it in the video. So let's say how to get a project which is work from home. This is a question. So someone is asking this how so now let's discuss that how to get a project which is work from home. ठीक है, how to get a work from home project. So yeah, this can only be classified, a project can only be classified, that classified like in what ways, that it is work from home, yeah, it is completely work from office, or it is in hybrid mode. This it can be only be classified at the time you are going with the project calls. So while they are telling you their project requirement, they will tell you that project is in hybrid mode, or the project is completely from office, or the project is completely from work from home. So yes, if you are thinking that is the project can completely work from home, so yes, it can. I am in a project which is completely work from home till September. ठीक है, till September, October, it is completely work from home, and then it might be we need to relocate, or it might be something else, but we need to visit office. But for this certain time, it for September to October, it is completely work from home. Okay, so while going with the project calls, if your interviewer is not if the interviewer is not telling you that the project is a hybrid mode, or work from home, or work from office, or work from anything, you yourself can ask them that is the project is a hybrid, or we need to work from office. So they'll tell you कि नहीं, it is completely hybrid, or it is completely work from home, or it is completely work from office. They'll mention that, no issues with that. ठीक है. So with that only, but don't give this work from home projects a priority. Please don't give work from home projects a priority. If your project says you that you if the project is in hybrid mode, please consider that also. Please don't wait for the work from home project. It's not like everyone gets a work from home project. It's very I don't think so we have so much of we have so much for so we are left with this. Okay, so this is the last question. So we have, which stream is good for the project? Okay, so I would say I guess this is a question जिसका आंसर आप सबको पता है. What I'm going to say is every stream is good. It's just upon you, right? It might be I love Java, and some person is facing some issue, is a severe issue with Java. It might be anything, right? So it's like every stream is good. You have to choose. So streams, I would if you are a fresher, I would recommend you to first fill that TechGenics form on priority. ठीक है, पहले तो if you want a good stream, or if you want a stream of your own preference, if you want your preference in stream, ठीक है, so you have to make sure that you fill TechGenics form. एक आता है meal make form used to come, in which they ask our preference. Try to fill that form on priority. ठीक है, if you fill that form on priority, you will surely get your stream, your preferred stream. And if you get your preferred stream, you will of course learn to work on it. ठीक है, now now if I say, we have already seen that a stream in TechGenics is same for primary skill, and that primary skill is same for the projects we'll be getting whole life. Now my question to you is, can this primary skill is change? Can we change this primary skill? So for all of you who are watching this video till here, ठीक है, if you are someone who have come to this extent of this video, of this so boring video, you need to answer me this question. Every one of you need to answer me this question, so that I come across कि इतने लोग तो at least पूरी video देखते हैं. ठीक है, so my question is, can we change our primary skill? I hope मैंने ऊपर नहीं बताया हो, because firstly I thought of telling you this also. So suppose, can we change our primary skill? So suppose you get a stream training, and you get a technology in stream training which you are not like. You hardly or you barely scored marks to you to pass that TechGenics exam, and now you are getting calls on the same technology. That is because of your primary skill, because your primary skill has been converted into the technology. ठीक है, now my question to you is that, can we change our primary skill? Can we do that? So you have to just answer yes or no, or you can answer don't know also. So we'll check this in the upcoming Q&A session. We'll definitely check this. But for all of you, please give this answer surely. This is a very important thing. I want to answer this in this video, but let's see how many people are actually uh, take the time out and see the videos. Okay, see the videos till the end. So my question, I'm repeating the question: can we change our primary skills? Can our primary skill be, can we change that? Yes, no, or you don't know. Don't know is fine, because we will be seeing if you say yes, if we say no. Okay. If you say yes or no or don't know, we will be seeing that question, or we will seeing that in a next video. That is a Q&A video. We are going to see that. So now let's quickly see the last question we have, which is, now we'll go to answer some of the questions which you have been asking since last few months. And now let's answer these questions. And then after answering these questions, what we will be going to do? We will be summarizing the whole video, and then we'll end this video. Okay. So I have to, let me find out the questions. Mhm. Got it. Okay. So I will be attaching these screenshot of your queries so that if someone missed out the question, ठीक है. So actually I have joined 7th Feb, completed my training, but till now I haven't got any project. I have neither assigned to bench. So if you are not on bench, see, first question, if you are not on bench, if bench mail आपके पास नहीं आया है, if you haven't received any bench mail, that means you're not on bench. Okay, so if you're not on bench, there will be no project call for you. ओके, सो लाइक प्रोजेक्ट कॉल उनके पास आएंगे जो बेंच पर होंगे. अभी अगर आप बेंच पे नहीं हैं तो यू माइट बी इन सम प्रोजेक्ट और यू माइट बी इन द ट्रेनिंग्स. ओके, बट इफ आपके पास ये प्रोजेक्ट कॉल तभी आएंगे जब आपके पास ये बेंच का मेल आएगा कि आप बेंच पर आ गए, मतलब अब आपके पास कोई काम नहीं है. अब आपके पास कोई काम नहीं है तो आप प्रोजेक्ट में एंटर होगे. ठीक है, अभी क्योंकि आपके पास बेंच मेल नहीं आया, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट ऑन बेंच, देयर विल बी नो project calls for you. Once you will be on bench, the project call will be there and you will be getting to a project. Okay, now second is, in which stream do you suggest to take for TechGenix and which is easy to learn? Does these streams need our knowledge on programming language we learned in college, or it is totally new? So see, it can be totally new. We have seen that from 2024 we have so many new technologies which were not there since 2000 till 2003, but now in 2004 we have many new technologies. So it can be that you have not gone through those technologies in your college and now you are going in your office. But we have some few like Java, we have Python, we have SQL, PLSQL, SAP is there. These are the basic, or we can say regular trainings जो अभी तक चलती आई हैं since till 2023 तक. And we have new technologies like Gen AI, cloud, something like Salesforce, etc., etc. So we have new technologies. So if you go, or if you got, or if you apply, or if you prefer to get a new technology, of course there will be some difficulties, but if you get a regular one, there will be less difficulty. Also, I want to mention one thing, that if you go for the new technologies now, yaar, I would suggest you to go for the new technologies, because we have a wider range of opportunities, in this new technology. And since since everybody know ki these technologies are so new, and most of us have not gone through these technologies in our in our college time. So they will be teaching, the SMEs used to teach these technologies in a good way. ठीक है, so good knowledge will be there. ठीक है, so I would recommend you to go with these. But if you get these, there is also no issue. So we have a wider opportunities, we have a wider range of opportunities for the new technologies we have in 2024. Okay, so the next question is, hey Shruti, what are your options in stream training, and which is the best option and benefit for long term? We have already discussed. Okay, which is, if you are asking for my technology, it's Oracle. I have gone through Oracle. Okay, so the next question is, the project we get is only based on a stream training? No, I have already discussed this, that the project depends on stream training, but on the location also. Okay. Do we get project in only technology which we got in a stream training, or we can get other technologies project as well? Okay, this is the best question. Fine. So I have seen this case. Okay, I need to give you a case study for this. I need to give. So what happened, guys? So this question is of. So I guess Aditya is the person who asked this question. So what happened, Aditya? When I was on bench, right? I was on bench for, I guess, 2 to 3 days. So there is a complete meeting, has been scheduled where they used to ask people ki now do you get any project or something like that, or what all things or what all technologies or trainings you need to complete while you are on bench. So all those discussions are going on, and there is a person who arrives and says ki I my primary skill is some xyz, and I got some project which has a technology which assign me for the technology ABC. So what should I do? So suppose I would say there is a person. I'm telling you that there is a person with with their primary skill called XYZ, and he got trainings or he got project on this training. ठीक है, this is their primary skill. So what can he do? So what they suggested him to ask the project manager to release to release him, and he will be chasing for some other projects. So for your question, Aditya, I would say yes, it is a mandatory that whatever primary skill we have, we get a project on that also only. Okay, and if we get a different skill which is very rare, if you get a different skill which is not your primary skill, if you get a different skill and if you are okay, then it's fine, don't tell to anyone. But if you are not okay, then there is a meeting, please go there and tell them that you are not okay with what about work from home opportunities in Accenture. We have lots of projects which give us hybrid mode, also work from office, work from home also, but mostly we majority of the projects have hybrid mode. Some of the new projects we can say have work from home. They'll also once they will also get into hybrid mode. So majority of the projects are hybrid mode only. Can you please make a video on regarding tech leave? Okay, and is it preferable to register after getting project, or can we register when we are on bench? Okay. So the person is asking tech leave. Okay, so we have tech leave. If you are getting mail when you are on bench, if you are getting a tech leave mail when you are on bench, so you can definitely go with that. You can definitely register if you want to give your tech leave exam. Uh, I would. This is not like a project. If we get into a project, then only we will give a tech leave exam. No, tech leave exam is another thing. Project being in a project is the other thing. So if you get a project, or if you get a tech leave examination mail, and if they are asking you to register, please register. Whether you are on bench or a project doesn't matter. Okay. If we don't perform good in projects, they will terminate us. Okay. So if you are not performing good, they will ask you to perform good. Then also, if you're not performing good, they will give you different types of KTs, knowledge transfer, and they will try their best you to perform good. But if then also you are not able to perform good, they will ask you to get released. So basically, they will release you from the project, and you will be on bench, and new projects will be approaching you. You will be not getting terminated from the company itself. Okay. What are we supposed to do during internship? Yeah, we will discuss this later. How to switch project? As I got into a project which is not related to my stream. Of course, there is a meeting. I have said there is a meeting. एक मीटिंग होती है फॉर दिस मीटिंग इज फॉर ओनली पीपल हु आर ऑन बेंच. ठीक है, नॉट ओनली फॉर ASC और AASC, whole essential people, all the management level people, all management level people who are on bench will come to this meeting. This meeting will be like they will be telling us ki this try to complete these trainings till the time you are on bench or something like that, and you can give your opinion on that. You can tell them ki I have so and so. As my primary skill, and I get this and this training, this and this technology as a project, as in a project. So I need to change. So they will ask you to talk to your manager, and with your manager concerned, you will be getting released from the project, and then you will be on bench, and different other projects of your primary skill will be approaching you. So we can do that also. Do we get projects on the stream training both only? Basis, oh sorry, do we get project on stream training basis only or in some other streams also? Our primary skill training only. क्या बार बार एक question आ रहा है? So based on the selection of the primer modules, there are a lot of project in future. No. So primer modules is different. So this question, primer modules. Your primer modules is different thing. Your TechGenX is different thing. In दोनों का the average of these two is 60. If you score 60 in this, you will pass the TechGenX. You will pass the assessments. ठीक है, TechGenX assessments. You will pass the assessments. These two things are different. The training, the technology which you get in this primer modules is different. This has no, this has no involved in your primary skills or your project. But the training you get in your TechGenX is for your primary skill on the basis of the technology which you get in TechGenX. This only you will get a primary, that skill you will get in a primary, and that same skill you will get in to a project. Okay, so not primer modules, but TechGenX. Okay. After training, we can change location. So for there, I have seen there is many questions related to location change. So we'll try to cover those location change wale questions in a Q&A session for sure. Okay. So how to get a work from home project in Accenture, we have already discussed this. I have joined Accenture in July. Currently, I'm in a project. I have been taking exam. I one exam in March. Now I registered for school 2, 1, and I explain, okay, this is something else. Okay, so this is all for today's. I hope you would like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't get you bored. Okay, I didn't bore you. This is all what we discussed. Okay, so this is the question I asked you. This is the very first time I asked you a question, and the question is, I will be telling you at last once again. Can we change our primary skill? Can we do that? If yes, tell me yes, no, or and how can we change that? Okay, you can also tell me. If you are saying yes, then you should know now how you can. So tell me that also. We will be discussing that later. And yeah, so I don't think so. I think it is getting very bored. So let's not summarize this. You can check if you want to see anything. You can just check it out by going back to the video, right? And yeah, let's end this video here only. So let's end this video here only, and we'll meet you soon. And I want you all to prepare well for your examinations and do well. Okay, so for this video we have seen everything in the project, everything related to project. But if we miss something, if any point has been missed out by me, please feel free to write down in your comment box. मैंने इतना बोल लिया ना कि अभी मेरे को हो रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो please feel free to write down your queries in the comment box, and we will be meeting soon in the next video. Within this 4 to 5 days only, we are going to meet soon. Now next video is a Q&A session. Okay, and we will be having a great Q&A session where all your queries will be answered. So we'll see if you want any question to be solved, if you want any specific question to be answered in a video, please feel free to ask your queries, because if you won't ask, no one is going to answer your queries, right? So please feel free to answer your queries, and yeah, we'll meet you soon. Ta-da, bye-bye.